Hello, and welcome to M1. Today, we'll go over how to edit your pie. We know that long-term investing strategies sometimes require tweaks along the road. That's why we made it simple to edit your pie whenever you'd like. On the web, select Edit under your pie, and from there you can see and change your allocated percentages. If you would like to remove a slice, select the one you have in mind, then select Remove. Once your slice is removed, you'll once again have to adjust the rest of your slices to reach 100%. If you'd like to change your allocated percentages, simply select the percentage of the slice you want to edit and raise or lower it. Whatever you do, you'll need to adjust your other slices so everything equals 100%. If you'd like to add a slice, simply select Add Slice, search for the stocks, ETFs, or expert pies you'd like to add. Finally, you'll need to adjust your slices so their allocations equal 100%. Select Save, and voila! You've adjusted your pie.